Hello guys, so today's video, papakilala naman po natin si Zoe e-bike. Zoe e-bike is 47,000. Sakto na sakto to sa mga taong matatangkad. At sa mga tao naman na hate na mag-commute, mag-Bitronics e-bike na kayo. Balik Zoe na tayo. So si Zoe, ito yung panel board niya, and then nakastate na din yung gear niya. Sa mga nagtatanong pala kung kailangan license and registration. So we already visit to Land Transportation Office. So wala pa naman daw. According to L1B category, sundin na lang po kung saan dumadaan yung mga e-bike. And always wear helmet po. And huwag kalimutan mag-aral din po kayo ng traffic sign to avoid any accident and also for your safety every day. So as a user of e-bikes, marami po siyang benefits. It's help us to save transportation cost, avoid carbon emission, and also easy transportation. And ito pa guys, 3 to 4 weeks use yung isang full charge niya. 60 kilometer distance. Isipin mo yun, 5 to 10 pesos lang ang gasto mo per charge. And no maintenance needed. So this e-bike, meron po siyang safety feature, which is meron siyang hazard and combined braking system. Meron din siyang park and unpark. And don't worry guys, malakas po yung horn natin. And for the back fashion taillight, meron po siyang app na tinatawag Magic Lantern. Just download the app for changing any colors. Meron din po tayong charging port. In case of emergency, pwede po kayong mag-charge. Kaya sa mga nagsasabing negative about e-bike, dyan kayo nagkakamali. Although hindi siya pang long distance, this is good idea service for work. Hindi ka naman magta-travel Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, diba? Char. So bukod sa quality and affordable e-bike na siya, meron pa siyang kompletong freebies, which is helmet, motor cover, charger, and foot mat. Sa mahal ba naman ng gas, aarte-arte pa ba tayo? Nowadays, we need to be practical and ride with your own. Sabi nga nila, your life, your choice. Aanhin mo naman ang tulin kung wala ka namang ipon. At the end of the day, matutulala ka na lang dahil hindi mo alam kung saan mo ginastos yung pera mo. You need to choose wisely. So hanggang dito na lang tayo guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. Come and visit Bitronics e-bike. Business hours open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 8 p.m. See ya!